So here you have the Declaration of Independence, y'all. Yes, the actual one. Um, and like I've said in several different instances in this unit, this is going to be challenging. This is written in 18th century language, fancy 18th century language. So it's very possible you're not going to understand everything that you read, which is perfectly fine. As long as you try, you are going to be able to get some sense out of this. You will get meaning. If you want to, you'll find at the bottom of each page there is the audio that you can follow along with me. Don't just let me read to you, follow along with me as I read. But you're going to be able to get some meaning out of this. Now, the Declaration is divided into three parts. This first part right here, this is what's called the preamble, the introduction to what's going to be coming. If you can imagine the author of the Declaration of Independence, Mr. Thomas Jefferson, um, he is introducing why they are coming together to write this document. The second part, if you look at this, it looks like bullet points. It looks like a list of things because that's exactly what it is. This is a list of grievances. Now, a grievance is a fancy word for a complaint. All of these bold things right here are complaints that the colonists have against Great Britain. You can imagine that the word he is referring to whom? Yeah, King George III, to the king himself. They are complaining about things the king is doing. And then here are some more grievances as we keep going. And then on the next page, we've got a few more grievances. And then what we have down here is what's called the resolution. Now, a resolution is what action is going to come from this. So rather than just listing why they're upset, this is the action that they are going to do. So they are resolved to do what kind of action, and you're going to find that right here. Now, as far as the assignment goes, what you need to do is follow these little tasks down here. It says in red, highlight the date of the Declaration of Independence, that it was adopted by the Second Continental Congress. So I'm going to take red over here. I'll drag it to wherever it belongs. Oh, wait, there's the date right there. And then I can resize it if I need to, just like this. I'm going to do that for all of these colors. You can see that there is an instruction for all of the colors down here below, and as is the case on the second page. So for each of these pages, you should not have any colors left over when you're all done.